Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. So I did a video in response to this, and one person responded back, and he says, "You are wrong because I got advanced parole, no problem." Okay, and I just wanted to respond a little bit how immigration law works. Just because somebody in one jurisdiction of the United States got advanced parole doesn't mean that that's how it is in every jurisdiction in every state across the U.S. There are many different circuit courts in the U.S., and each one has their own particular law. Now, obviously, immigration law is federal law, so I can practice federally anywhere that there's a client. But for example, if there's an issue and I'm in the Fifth Circuit, the client's in the Fifth Circuit, which is Texas, that obviously will have a much more conservative twist to how they apply the law than in the Ninth Circuit, for example, in California. And so there's also internal USCIS procedures, and that is not the same everywhere. There are many local procedures who do things differently. So when we're talking about advanced parole for DACA, while there are different jurisdictions that actually will issue the advanced parole, by the mere fact that one has DACA, that is by far not the way that it is in 99% of the country. So, honestly, when one person gets something and they think that essentially I'm wrong because I'm giving what the overall majority law and procedures are for a particular item, people need to understand there are differences in the jurisdictions, and that's one of the difficulties of practicing immigration law, is arguing the various laws and points, but gearing it towards the way the jurisdiction and the people in that jurisdiction generally rule. Okay, and so when it's necessary to do something in immigration law, you have to be aware of where you're doing it and how you're doing it. Okay.